footage from DJI Mini 3. It's crazy, it's mind-blowing how good this looks like. I filmed this with my iPhone 13 and DJI Mini drone, and I little bit color grade this in DaVinci Resolve, and wow. This is Kraków, beautiful city. I don't live in Kraków, like close to this city, but it's so beautiful. It's just mind-blowing. Wow, what a beautiful city. After drone filming, I went to a short bike ride around Kraków. And this is like footage from last year, exactly 1 year ago. I filmed that using GoPro when I was trying to become a YouTuber. Let me show you something. The weather.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine, and you're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would.
And yesterday I was in a beautiful sunny day, flying my drone.